OpenBlender is your creative tool inside Blender 5.0. Think of it as bringing the power of models like Z Image Turbo, FluxCline, LTX2, Treelist 2. At its heart are 4 core generation modules. Image to Image lets you create generated visuals right from your viewport in free view or camera view. You can either click Generate for a one-off result or enable auto run so every camera tweak triggers fresh generations. Quality is fully adjustable. Set your megapixel, steps, and denoise strength, and watch results stack up automatically in your image editor. LoRA support means you can stack your favorite custom models for any image-to-image or video workflows. Just edit the ComfyUI workflow in the web interface, add your LoRAs, save the API JSON, and OpenBlender applies them automatically. Image to video turns 3 keyframes into smooth animated clips. Just set your start, middle, and end views. Pick your frame count and resolution, and the video drops right into Blender's video sequencer. There is a remix feature on your image editor side panel that allows you to use image-to-image workflow for the current displayed image. You can remix any image or model textures, environment textures, and can even send the result to the image to 3DQ. This remix tool allows you to generate from a pure blank image, just using the prompt. Your results come back with a different suffix, and new image doesn't overwrite previous ones. You keep every results. And then there's image to 3D. Drop in a reference photo and get back a full textured GLB model in minutes, thanks to Treelist 2 running locally on your GPU. Perfect for populating scenes with generated assets. The chat panel connects to either OpenRouter for cloud models like Claude and GPT, or your local LM Studio server running models like GLM 4.7 or QN3 Coder Next. There's also the MCP server, an optional HTTP endpoint that lets external agents control Blender remotely, such as OpenClaw. Everything runs in the background, so Blender stays responsive for a seamless experience.